Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today I am back again with a new video on how to contact Payoneer Live Chat system or support. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, this is the Payoneer website. So you just need to open the next browser because there isn't any support system that is provided by Payoneer in this website. You just need to go back to the another web browser or the new tab, and you just have to type on the Payoneer Live Chat support. When you have typed it, this is the search result that is shown to you, and you just have to click on the live chat that is shown here. And when you click here, there are different options. You can just live chat with them, or you can call them as well. Firstly, but you have to sign in and log in order to do that. After that, there is another option that is send messages. So if both the live chat and call us doesn't work for you, or that the services is not available for you right now, then you can just send the message to the Payoneer support system. So this is how you can easily contact Payoneer Live Chat support. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.